Okay, first thing we need to do is figure out what the mass is of our mixture. Next, we want to add in 2.5 milliliters of deionized water to the mixture. Okay, now we're going to be adding that mixture into a water bath for 5 minutes. Shaken occasionally just to make sure that everything is in solution as much as possible. Now we want to pull off as much of the liquid as possible. This is a mixture of our sucrose and aspirin, leaving the sand behind. Go ahead and discard the leftover sand into the waste paper basket. As the solution is cooling, you'll see the crystallization starting. You'll wait a couple minutes for that to maximize. If that doesn't happen, scrape the test tube with a glass stirring rod to get the crystallization going. We're next going to be centrifuging the mixture to move all the solid crystals to the bottom. What's important here is to balance the volume of liquid between the two so that the centrifuging process stays balanced. We now go ahead and take off the centrifuge liquid off the top of the solids below after the spinning is stopped and do the process again. This is just the couple steps of purification. And we always have to equalize the volume before we centrifuge anything. Otherwise it'll sound like a helicopter and look like a helicopter taking off. And then finally, we're going to be adding more water and recrystallizing the aspirin once again, just to improve the purification of our end product. Now you can see right now there are no crystals forming, and over time, and not very much time, crystals will start to form. we're going to be doing is we're going to be pouring that into a watch glass to evaporate all the leftover solvent, the water in this case. We're going to put it now on, after an initial drying, we're going to put it over a boiling water bath to speed up the process. We want to drive off all water. We want it down to a white, powdery substance. Now what we're doing now is we're using a water bath to completely dry the aspirin down to just its powder form. The only water you Now we'll go ahead and take a melting point and see what the range of the melting point is using our melting point, standard melting point device.